welcome to the mix. And on the mix we have Dwayne. Listen to what he has to say and listen to the video that he's playing. There's a lot of information in this that you may want to listen to. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have a wonderful night.
2. Part 1 starts like this.
I mean, no, Miss a side girl, but who go tell Simon? On don't know how for wall on own as a side girl.
Sorry, guys.
On feel like on call the man phone anytime. On crazy. Sit and wait on the man for call on no. Call on know what on sign up for. On can't sign up for public school and feel like a private school treatment to not go get move on the blood clot. On the pussy could have grab and chafe cocky.
She's talking.
On good that can't sell a 9-inch cock and dance in a jerk. Just sign up as a side girl, work as a side girl.
She's
On
talking
can't
about
sign up in a man life as side girl. I want to come take me and girl. No, so when certain time come, guys dance to the gate. Don't call the man phone. Do not make the man feel uncomfortable. As a side girl, me wash cook and blood clot clean like a my man. I mean, no, me is a side girl, but who go tell me say me don't have no moral? You no crazy, you can't tell me that. Man
fair.
shot a woman plenty, no fire man, them turn batty man say, look one know what about ya. Them have to go and share who did have the man first. I don't know when I sign up, I don't see the man them with them woman. I don't know, so them now go put on the first. So why not have a problem? Everybody out here busy in a class, this and class that. CMR him have him blood clot cocky a swing like a cowboy gun. Like him a star bomber clot western was shot him bust out of that they cat there. Chrissy know the type of man she took up. As far as she knows him cheat. I watch everything. Me watch video where she prank. Who watch them because I watch them. I watch pranking video and when CMR prank her and tell her say him cheat on her. You know what she say? Again, like she said, why you keep putting me through this? Who watch Chrissy them? Who can't tell me? Who watch the Carter family? Am I telling a lie? Who not see him prank her and say she him cheat? And what she say? You always do these things she know. But because this one come out in the public. That's why some time will fix her if I can't take up my pick me out of my hand, please. Take him up for me. Me can't touch him with the phone. Guys, you know power tap the light. Bomber clad. 945. Mama tell you, no, me not deal with mix up, you know. Me just split justice and move right along. And who want eat me and who like me. But me have to always start my mind. No for uno out there a cuss and a behave as if Chrissy is above bun. Me not hate the girl, me not have nothing against the girl, me watch the girl. But no for uno out here. Thank you so much for the gift, baby. I behave as if Chrissy is above bun. No way, not above bun. Thank you, baby girl. Guys, when you see me live, go down, you can help me towards it, please and thanks. Because me I behave as if Chrissy is above bun. None of we you see, as long as there is a man in our life or a woman in our life, we not above bun. Me see nice and we get blood clot bun. Me see offset the go fuck go. Me right or me wrong.
And Beyonce, man.
A bigger celebrity than Chrissy. Jay-Z did fuck pan Beyonce.
A cho, Karen. I'm singing about Karen too. So
why wanna come over here? Not because it's Chrissy. Everybody knows what CMR do. If I'm not prank, because I thought it was a prank. You see, if it's not prank, and even if it's a prank, you see, even if it is a prank, which we don't business, if it is a prank, we just attack. But here what to? Me hear Chrissy say, I fear money CMR take and go give. Girl, all them blood clot, they know Chrissy fi shot CMR with shit. But who is to be blamed? She is giving him the money in order for him can give it, girl. You understand what me I say? So you cannot come out concuss the John public. You can't even come here. I don't know. I hear she says fear money. Me listen, you know. Any which part me wrong, no catch me. She see a fear money have a give to the blood clot girl. Then if I tell the blood clot girl see her skin smooth, if Chrissy lucky in them blood clot play tight all that to that bus Chrissy chip. That would have bust Chrissy chip. Chrissy head would have lick off like a pressure when pressure cook and a lot good. Post CMR they go sing title. If a skin, someone CMR sing and it cause so much problem. Suppose him they come sing title.
She just starting.
They not eat me telling you because them. That's why I look at one cocky when I have, you know. I'm telling you. 7 years now, me already the lady man cock and I never post the cock. I post the boy like a mixed parts, hand, foot and blood clot leg. And the woman see, if the woman see the man, I know the man me sorry for her because I post him like a mixed parts. I never come over here come post him face, I never post him name. And if nobody on my live know the boy, I'm posting name, but just block them blood clot because you're too plentiful because you don't know if he's my man, so don't come over here come post him. Don't call him a name.
Like and share, guys.
It's a mix. When me a post the blood clot where me used to post him, I post him like a mixed parts, hand, foot and leg, and finger.
Mixed parts.
Me not take the lady man and come post him. Me not post the whole of body like a whole of chicken.
Whole of chicken.
Me mix him up and post him. You hear me? I tell you no?
Lord. Hey,
somehow not take girl man, I want to know come over here. I don't want to post up a girl man all about. I don't know, see a girl man do not take. But me hear all person say if she did grab the girl, why you don't grab Simar? And first, thank you, baby. Why you don't grab Simar like by him blood clot cocky and steer him go down a station or steer him go down at the mark? That you need to do the strength where you going to take to go grab the girl. Grab CMR by him cocky and steer him go down at the blood clot mark and make them bomb him. Rip the cocky out of socket. Because me not argue with no girl. I power up like a blood clot go and grab him since I want somebody to fight. Guys, thank you so much for the gift. Since me want war somebody so much, I hold him by him cocky. When I steer him blood clot, go down a station or the mark, anywhere you want to steer him go. I just start bleed up and gain some strength. You have 6 blood clot flour with straight butter. And gear up. No, but when me ever have so much strength in my body if you go grab a girl. When me look girl stab me in my blood clot, me dead girl left the cock. You gonna prison me dead girl left the cock. And when me look at different girl I ride the cock. Name 6 bumbo clot caramel flour. Name them with some butter. Oil your blood clot self straight naked. Oil yourself. And beat out him. That is all you need.
Right, that's
but you
the
have a grab it, girl, for a girl never stick you up with no gun and take your money and see him take your money and carry it, go and give to the girl.
Right, that's all.
Me never seem to understand.
Share the video.
Of course it's him to be blamed. Or you have to blame woman. As a girl will take girl man, or you have to come blame me. Blame your man. Beat your man. If you have a problem, beat your man. You find so much strength, beat the man. And then me see you all on upon the internet. I go on like say, only is one big bumbo clot joking team. I come talk about how much the girl wicked and the girl don't wicked.
Get tonight, Jonathan. Get tonight,
man shot,
girl.
woman plenty cocky out here free, everybody riding it. The next year, I want run in body like country bus. Everybody come ride panny, bills and go through. And he want conduct fin cocky. You cannot blame all of the passenger them with giant panny. Blame him. And then you depend blood clot for about your skin smooth and you want compound belly button. Hey girl, you put on your paradise. Excuse me. Then when him sing the blood clots and you want to see me there like a Jack and Jill, what wine me and see Mara sing. No, don't take the joke. I might have this thing like a joke, but it's not joke. This is just my personality. I will always talk facts. Guys, thanks so much for the gifts. This is always my personality. How much are we over here? Can honestly say when Samara sing you know a wine? How much are we no girl? The boy sing out blood clot. Then Chrissy, if Samara did say Shania said tight to all.